Northern Michigan paradise awaits on nearly 20 acres of riverfront property. This three-bedroom, 1.5-bath cabin sits tucked into heavily wooded land, offering a peaceful retreat with privacy and natural beauty at every turn. Spacious bedrooms provide plenty of room for family or guests, while the open living areas make relaxing or entertaining effortless. Rebuilt in 2011, the home is designed for year-round use, making it perfect as a seasonal escape, hunting camp, or full-time residence. The surrounding land is a nature lover's dream. With over 1,300 feet of frontage on Bennett Creek, the property is ideal for fishing, kayaking, or simply enjoying the calming sounds of flowing water. The 20 acres also include wooded trails for hiking, wildlife observation, or hunting, providing endless opportunities for outdoor adventure. Location adds convenience to this secluded retreat. Just minutes from East Jordan, Lake Charlevoix, and 6 Mile Lake, you'll have easy access to beaches, boating, and water sports, while still enjoying complete privacy. Whether you're seeking a weekend getaway or a full-time northern Michigan lifestyle, this property delivers the perfect balance of seclusion and accessibility. With its combination of creek frontage, acreage, and comfortable living spaces, this Michigan cabin is a rare find, ideal for nature enthusiasts, hobby hunters, or anyone dreaming of a peaceful northern escape. It's ready to become your personal haven in the heart of Michigan.